नन्ही सी गुड़िया अंगना में फिर आ जा रे। मम्मा, I saw this video 100 times and I burst out laughing every time until I fell off the bed and couldn't stop crying until she held me in her arms. Now you guys must be thinking whom I am talking about. Yes, I am talking about that little girl. She is my mother now that you have seen in the video who fell while singing. Greetings of the day to everyone. I am Nandika Jain from grade 3rd. Before moving further, I just wanna ask a question, especially all the mothers sitting here. Have you ever felt the same in your life? I am not talking about the fall. I am talking about the call that you have made after falling down. If the answer is yes, then clap. Don't clap for me, but for yourself for making this journey from a delicate daughter to a dedicated mother. People often ask me, what do you want to be when you grown up? Usually, grade 3rd students say, I want to become a pilot, an engineer, or an IAS officer. That was wonderful. But when I look into the mirror, I don't just see a student, I see a reflection of my mother's courage. You know why? If I can be half as brave as she is when things go wrong, if I can be half as kind as she is when someone is mean, I'll be the most successful person in the world. Do you know what is the most beautiful part is? She is the only one in the world who makes me feel like I don't need to become an IAS officer or an engineer because I already am that, she says. Do you know what is the most important lesson that I learned? Is no matter what is your age and what you do, just feel enough and completed with who you are and what you do. People think that mothers are the only teacher, but I think that daughters also teach mothers something too. Like, I taught my mother it is okay to jumping in puddles when it's rain. It is okay to dancing in empty room even music isn't there. It is okay to take a long sleep on Sunday. It is okay. Yes, of course, we are two different people, but we are connected with an invisible thread. It stretches a lot, but it never breaks because it's very strong. Like we argue over finishing my veggies and cleaning my room. I said it is very strong. It never breaks because in the end of the day, my mother's no comes from their protection and my why comes from my curiosity. By the way, this is the best and the greatest gift of my life, the unspoken bond of mother and daughter. Mama, I know wherever I go, Mama, I know when I grow older, my life will change, but I promise you, wherever I go, I'll carry your voice. Before I end my word, I just want to ask you a last question. If there's no tomorrow, what would be the first and the last thing you want to do with your daughter? If there's no tomorrow, what would be the first and the last word you want to say to your mother? Just think in a while, just say it today and do it today. Because those are the words that matter. Those are the words that we delay the most. So, don't wait for a perfect moment. Don't wait for someday. If you have a chance, use it. If you have words, say them. Because sometimes later never comes. Thank you so much.